troubleshooting speaker issues on LG phones. If you are experiencing issues with speaker volume on your LG phone, here are some troubleshooting steps you can take that should resolve the problem. First, check the volume level on the phone by pressing the volume up key. When the volume pop-up appears, press the three-line menu button below it. Check the sliders for the volume type experiencing issues, such as ringtone, notification, touch feedback, and music, video, games, other media. If the volume is already turned up, next check if the phone is connected to a Bluetooth device by going to Settings, then Connected Devices, then Bluetooth. If that does not resolve the issue, then check the headphone port on the phone for debris or corrosion. If the issue persists, then boot the phone into safe mode and test it again. Watch our how-to video in the description. If safe mode does not resolve the issue, then back up your data and complete a factory data reset. Watch our other how-to video in the description. Lastly, if the issue persists after a factory data reset, then go to lgmobilerepair.com or contact customer service to send your phone in for inspection and repair.